fun special Bearstack Poutine just for you.
Oh, this is so cute.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Today we're making the Bearstack Poutine from the We Bare Bears movie.
And a huge shout out and thank you to Cartoon Network for sponsoring this video.
Yes, I saw the movie last night and it was heartwarming, it was funny, it was a thriller, It was all of the things. I really, really enjoyed it.
And you know, we love We Bare Bears here on the show. In fact, we've made so many recipes from the show before that we are delighted to see that the We Bare Bears movie has a poutine food truck. And poutine is this amazing Canadian dish that mixes French fries, cheese curds, and gravy into one delicious heap of food.
Yes, and we're so excited to recreate it. We hope it stacks up.
All right, let's get cooking. At the beginning of the We Bare Bears movie, they're as hungry as ever, and they rampage their way across town to make it to a brand new food truck. This one features Canadian poutine. Of course, the We Bare Bears want their own custom version, so that's what we're going to be recreating today on the show. First, we're going to make the gravy. Add the butter to a pot over medium heat and wait for it to melt. Add the garlic and saute for a few minutes. Next, sprinkle in the flour and whisk vigorously to break up the clumps. Add the remaining flour and continue stirring for another few minutes until the butter begins to foam and slightly brown. Pour the beef broth in slowly and steadily while continuing to whisk. Now add the Worcester sauce, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and salt and pepper. Keep stirring for about 5 more minutes or until the gravy becomes thick enough to coat the back of a wooden spoon. Let's get started on the fries. Break up frozen fries into smaller pieces. This will make them a little more manageable when assembling. On a sheet of aluminum, alternate adding fries and cheese curd to form the Bear Bros bodies into burritos. Bake these for about 40 minutes, and now we're ready to assemble the bear stack. There are really no rules at this point. Just make sure there's plenty of gravy involved and it will turn out delicious. We used a piping bag to help with the gravy precision, but like I just said, there are no rules. We just need a little more gravy for Panda's eyes and their noses, and then bits of cheese curds for the Bear Bros eyes. We used a knife to cut out the exact perfect size. We're almost finished. All we have to do is add a couple of fry bits for Brown Bear's ears. And finally, we top off this marvelous creation with our little bear flag. And voila, a poutine that will surely turn heads and get all the bears to come try and eat it. Don't worry, you're gonna wanna be Insta famous for this one too, when you finally make it yourself. Cheers. Ding. Poutine. Gravy too. Are you ready to dig into this thing?
I'm so ready.
Whoa. I love poutine.
Wow.
It's one of my favorite things. Anyone from Canada will let you know that your poutine is worse than theirs too, which is I love that. But cheese curds, gravy, and fries, what a great combination. This is good too.
Who needs ketchup?
That's a good point. You know, cheese curds too are massively underrated. I think everyone should be putting cheese curds in everything they eat.
I have never seen a cheese curd in a grocery store.
Really? You've never seen a cheese curd in a grocery store?
I don't believe I have, sir.
Really? Well, maybe next time you're there, you better look out for it.
I definitely am after this episode. This is great.
Yeah, this is great. This is gravy.
You know, y'all can join the Bear Bros on their poutine journey.
You can watch the We Bare Bears movie this September on Cartoon Network or online right now by clicking the link in the description box below. All right, that's gonna wrap up another wonderful feast here at the Feast of Fiction Kitchen. As always, a huge shout out to our patrons at patreon.com/feastoffiction. Your support is what keeps us going every single day, week to week, month to month, and keeping this show alive for 9 years. Woo, woo!
That's right. Thank you guys again so much if you've already bought the cookbook. We really appreciate all the comments, all the pictures, all the DMs you guys are sending of the recipes and your iterations of them. We really appreciate it. We'd love nothing more than to receive all your photos, so thank you guys so much again for being a part of our world, an integral part of our world.
Yeah, and if you guys want to buy the cookbook as well, check out www.feastoffiction.com. It's available at most major retailers, as well as probably your local bookstore. You can do a curbside pickup these days. Pick it up, go home, make some awesome recipes. And yeah, it has been fun seeing everyone's versions of our food. It's really, 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 really rewarding.
And touching. So thank you guys again so much. And as always, leave a comment below and let us know what you want to see us make next.
All right, everyone. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.